Hello everyone, Riaz speaking. Today I am going to discuss about the course Computer Science Study, particularly Integer and Floating Point Arithmetic in Computing. And this is basically the outline of the course. I will just introduce the content of this course in this part. So here you are. This is the content of this course, and there are three basic part of this course. And the first part contains the basic number system using the computing system, in a computer. And then I will go through the floating point number for binary and decimal respectively, and I will show you some example of arithmetic like the addition and multiplication. One more thing is here. So the content of this course, the part 1, part 2, part 3 that I am just introduced to you are sequential. So I would like to request you to first complete the first part, and then second part, and then the third part. So it will be helpful for you to realize the content easily. So this is the first part. As I said, that this is introduction of the number system. So we have decimal number system, binary, hexadecimal number system. So I will discuss about these three types of number system. Although we have many more, but as example we pick this commonly used three number system. And then I will show some relationship among this number, and we will also discuss about some conversion process from one system to another system. That basically the content of the first part. And in the second part here, floating point representation for binary arithmetic. In this part particularly we discuss the floating point binary arithmetic and its representation system. So basic syntax, how we can represent a floating point number in computer, so how we can normalize, because there are many ways that a same number you can represent. So we need to standardize it, right? So to how we can normalize and fix it one single process for every aspect in software, hardware, and other things. Finally, we will discuss about the standard for the decimal floating point system. We have a standard, IEEE standard 75428, and this standard define the format, the single precision, double precision, and also the arithmetic, how we have to perform the arithmetic. This standard is for making the portability. So we can make one hardware and software to portable to other system, other manufacturer company. So this is the reason that the standard is established in 1985. So I will discuss a bit about the standard. And then the third part, I will discuss about the decimal floating point. So just immediately finish after binary floating point, and then I will discuss about the decimal floating point. So before going to the decimal floating point, I just try to discuss about why we need the decimal. What is the problem of the binary arithmetic? Yeah, binary arithmetic is faster and very easy to implement, but why we cannot rely on the binary arithmetic? What's the problem? And then I will discuss about the also standard for decimal arithmetic. We have the standard IEEE 75428, and I will also conclude the presentation with two examples of decimal computing. Again, I will show the addition and multiplication. This is just example. Once you can perform the addition, multiplication, other basic arithmetic you can also do by yourself. By finishing this course, I think you will able to realize how the computer arithmetic works and how the number system is work. So this is the main objective of this course. At the end of the course, you have to submit a report. I prefer you to submit it in English, but if you want to submit in Japanese, please write it down in the computer so that I can translate it and evaluate your assessment accordingly. So that's all for the introduction. So this is very interesting and important as well. As a computer science student, I think we all have to very clear concept for this course, and I think and I believe this small content help you to realize and understand the number system of our computer. How our computer working with the number system and the arithmetic. So I think you guys enjoy the lectures of all the parts, and let's move to the presentation. Thank you.